Hey everyone, welcome back to By Ambition. In this video, I'll show you how to save a Word document as a PDF. This is useful when you want to share a file that can't be easily edited. So let's get started. Step 1. First, open up the Word document you want to save as a PDF. This document here is just filler, as you can see. Step 2. At the top left, click File. Step 3, from the menu, click Save As. Step 4, click the drop-down menu for the file format and select PDF. Step 5, pick where you want to save the file, such as your desktop or documents folder. Mine will be saved to the desktop, as you can see right here. Step 6, click Export to create your PDF file. And that's how you save a Word document as a PDF. If this video helped, like the video, subscribe to By Ambition, and I'll see you in the next one.